Just a few days ago, news broke out that Chamisa, the former opposition leader, criticized the handling of the 2023 elections, which were riddled with irregularities and delays. Despite these challenges, Chamisa received close to 2 million votes, yet the legitimacy of the elections remains heavily disputed. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Chamisa is pushing for SADC to step in and help resolve these issues. But not everyone is on board with this plan. Critics argue that Chamisa's approach might be out of touch with the current sentiments of the people. They fear that focusing too much on past elections could hinder progress towards the upcoming 2028 elections. This situation highlights a broader struggle for democracy in Zimbabwe, marked by repeated electoral disputes and international scrutiny. Chamisa's relentless pursuit for electoral justice is not just about one election. It's about setting a precedent for future ones, ensuring they are fair and credible. As Zimbabwe prepares for the upcoming SADC summit, the debate intensifies. The question remains, is Chamisa's SADC roadmap the key to resolving Zimbabwe's election crisis, or will it create further political stagnation? This is about more than just politics. It's about the aspirations of millions of Zimbabweans who yearn for a government that truly represents their will. As we continue to watch this unfold, one thing is clear. The resolution to this crisis will have profound implications not just for Zimbabwe but for the entire region. So, what do you think? Is Chamisa's plan the way forward, or is it a step back? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's keep this conversation going. Until next time, stay informed and engaged.